Good morning, all of you. So today discuss about numbers from your activity book, page number 12. See activity book, page number 12. See, listen carefully. Here some of the pictures given. Identify the numbers based on the given pictures clues. One is done for you. See here, look at the blackboard. So you can say this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place. So here in thousands place one cuboid is there, you can write 1. In hundreds place how many are there? 2 pictures are there, you can write in hundreds place 2. Here how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, you can write 4. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the total number is 1249. So you have to go next picture. See, listen carefully. Here 1. Okay. Next here how many are there? 1 in hundreds place, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Thousands place one picture is given. In hundreds place how many are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. You can write 4. Next here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next ones place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the number is 1466. Now we have to take third one. Here in thousands place how many pictures are there? 1. Next here 1, 2, 3. In tens place how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next here 3. This is the third figure. 1353. Next fourth figure. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place 1. Next hundreds place 1. Next tens place 3. Next here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the fourth figure number is 1138. Now here there is no thousands place. So here in hundreds place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tens place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ones place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 555. So this is the figure 2, figure 3, figure 4, figure 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next figure 6. See here. See here. Ones, tens, hundreds. So here 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. 146. Now next. Fill. That's it. No, there is no 0. No. Identify the numbers based on the given pictures clues. That's it. So there is no pictures means you can write 0. That's correct. See here, there is no picture means you can write 0. So that is 1460. 1460. Now next, fill the missing numbers to complete the series in each row. See here, page number 13. See here Page number 13. Lasya, page number 13. Nishank, page number 13. See here. Fill in the missing numbers to complete the series in each row. So first row 1313, next dash, next dash, next dash, next 1317 is given, next dash, next dash, next dash. See here, 1113 after 1313 after 1314, 1314 after 1315, next 1316, 1317 already given, next 1317 after 1318, next 1319, next 1320. See here, dash, dash, here 2014, dash, 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 here 2019. Look at the blackboard, everybody. 2014 before number is 2013. 2013 before number is 2012. Now next 2014 after 2015, 2015 after 2016, 2016 after 2017, 2017 after 2018 and 2019 already given in your activity book. Now next dash, dash, see here 1812 is given, next dash, dash, next 1815 given, dash, dash, dash. See here 1812 before number is 1811, next 1812 after 1813, next 1814, next 1815 given, next 1815 after 1816, next 1817, next 1818. Dash, dash, here 5986, dash, dash, 5989, dash, dash. See here 5986 before 5985, next before 5984. So now next 5986 after 5987, next 5988, next 5989 is given, Now next 5989 after 90, 5990 after 5991. Here 4731 dash 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 dash. Here 4738. Very simple. 4731 after 4732, next 4733, 4734, 4735, 4736, next 4737, 4738 is given. Last one. Eight thousand 670, see here 8617 before 8616, 8616 before 8615, 8615 before 8614. Then next 8617 after 8618, 8618 after 8619, 8619 after 8620 is given. Now next 8621. Now choose next bit. Choose any 4 numbers from the given set. ఈ సెట్ నుంచి ఏవైనా 4 numbers తీసుకోమన్నాడు. Using the 4 numbers form any 12 numbers of your choice and write them. Choose any 4 numbers from the given set. Using the 4 numbers, form any 12 numbers of your choice and write them down. Identify and note down the smallest and the biggest number among the numbers you written. You have written. See here, listen carefully. This is see here. This is 0. This is 3. This is 9. Next, this is 4. This is 1. This is 8. This is 6. This is 7. This is 2. This is 5. See here, by using these digits we can write 12 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here pencil is given. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, by using these digits you can write. So here choose any 4 numbers from the given set. Choose any 4 numbers from the given set, means 4-digit number. So using the 4 numbers, see in it 3, 0, 3, 9, 4, 1, 8, 6, 7, 2, 5. So I have to take from these digits, you have to take 4 numbers and write down the numbers. So here, now I am taking first 3, 9, 0, 4 means 3904. Next I have taken, that is your choice. So now I am taking here 4, here 9, here 3, here 0, 4930. Next 18604. Here 1860, 4-digit number. 1860. Next 7251. 7251. Next 5276. 5276. Next 2765. 2765. So given digits, so I have to take 4 digits. You can write the 4-digit number according to your wish. See here, now next 3094, 3094. Next 80935. Sorry, 4-digit number, no? 8093 means 8093 according to your wish. 2051, 2051. Next 1093, 1093, 1093. Next 8906, 8906. Next according to your wish, 3965, 3965. Here you can write smallest number. See, smallest number what here? From 12 numbers. See, this is 3904, 4930, 1860, 7251, 5276, 2765, 3094, 8093, 2051, 1093. See here, this is 1860, 1093. This is 8906, 3006. See, so 1860, 1093. See here, thousands place 1 is there. Here thousands place 1 is there. Now 860, 93. So which is smallest number? Given 2 numbers. Say no. 1093. 1093. Now next biggest number. See biggest number. See here 8906. 8093. So in thousands place side is there. This is 3000, 4000, 1000, 7000, 5000, 2000, 3000, 8000, 2000, 1000, 8000, 8906 and 8093. So in it, which is the biggest number? 8000, 8000 same. In 100 space, 1000 space, here 0, here 9. So 9 is greater than 0. So the biggest number is 8906. While you are writing the given number, you can Put the comma after 1000 space. 1093 here 9000. 8960 means 8 after you can write comma. Now next page number 14. Page number 14. Observe the beads on the abacus and write the number it represents. See here. Observe the beads on the abacus and write the number represents. See here, first one. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. In one space, how many beads are there? 3. In tens place, 2 beads. Hundreds place, 1 bead. Thousands place, 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write down. Very simple. See, 1, 2, 3. Write 3 under one space. 2 write under tens place. 1 bead under hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 write under thousands place. So what is the number? 4123. Now next. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Here 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hundreds place. See here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. See here. 1, 2. 1, 2. See right down. See in ones place, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tens place 1, 2, 3, 4. Hundreds place 2. Thousands place 2. So the number is 2245. Now next third one. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. See here. 3, 1, 2, 3 beads in ones place, 2 beads in tens place, 4 beads in hundreds place. So what is the number? Here 1, 2, 3, here 2, here 3, 323. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. See here. 3 beads in ones place, 1 bead in tens place, 4 beads in hundreds place, 2 beads in thousands place. Then you can write here 1, 2, 3. 3 write under ones place, 1 write under tens place, 1, 2, 3, 4 write under hundreds place, 1, 2 write under thousands place. The given number is 2430. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. See here, in ones place 2 beats, tens place no beats, hundreds place 1 beat, and thousands place 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can write here 2. In tens place there is no beats. Instead of that you can write 0. Then hundreds place 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 beats in thousands place. The given number is 4102. Now next you can do. So now next bit. Fill in the boxes with the correct values. Listen carefully. Two 2759 face value place value. See here, face value. See here, 2759 is the given number. You can find out the face value of 7, the place value of 7. First, face value. The face value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit itself, whatever place it may be. Face value ఏ ప్లేస్లో ఉన్న ఆ యొక్క డిజిట్ యొక్క వాల్యూ, there is no change. You can write as it is. 7 face value 7. Then next, place value. The place value of a digit depends on its position in a given number. So 7 is in hundreds place. Where is 7? 7 is in hundreds place. Then the face value of 7 is 700 means 700. That's it. Did you understand? Now next, 3852. 2 face value, 2 place value. So face value, the place value it won't be changed. 2 is 2. The place value of 2. 2, where is 2? 2 is in ones place. 2 ones 2. Next, 1004. This is face value. See here, face value of 0 is 0, whatever place it may be. Next, the place value of 0 is always 0. It won't be changed. Now next, 9021. 9 face value, 9 place value. See, 9 face value it won't be changed. 9 is 9. 9 place value, 9 is in thousands place. The place value of 9 is 9000. 9000 means 9000. That's it. Next, 4617, the face value of 1. The face value of 1 is 1. The face value of 1. 1 is in tens place. 1 tens 10. $2,228. value. See here, face value it won't be changed. 8 is 8. The face value of 8. 8 is in which place? 8 is in ones place. 8 ones 8. That's it. Now next page number 15. Wait 5 minutes. 4. Now page number 15. Draw the beads on the abacus to represent the given numbers. Listen carefully. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. See here, 4,567. 7 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place. Okay. See, 7 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place, 4 is in thousands place. So you can draw 7 beads in ones place spike. So how many beads you can place? 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here how many beads? 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here how many beads? 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Here 1,405. So you can keep, you can place, you can draw 5 beads in one's place spike. Means here 5 beads you can draw. 3, 4, 5. In tens place how many beads you can draw? 0. 0 means no beads. 0 means no beads. Now in hundreds place how you can draw? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here thousands place 1. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. 6,428. In ones place, how many beads you can draw? In ones place, spike. 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In tens place, 2 beads. Hundreds place, 4 beads. Thousands place 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. So the remaining problem you can do. This is page very easy. Now next page. Now next page. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. Page number 16. So I can say one easy method. 9567. See here. So 7 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place, 9 is in thousands place. So expanded form. You can write expanded form. 9 is in thousands place means 9 thousands. 9 after how many zeros you can write? 9 after 3 zeros. See 9 after see how many digits are there? Once see 1, 2, 3 means you can write 3 zeros. 9 is in thousands place, then 9 it can be written as 9000. 9 after 3 zeros. Next place 5 is in hundreds place, 500. 5 after 2 zeros, 500. See 5. How many digits are there? 2 digits means you can write 2 zeros 5 after. Next 6 is in tens place, 6 tens 60. See 6 after 1 digit is there, so 60. Next plus 7. That's it. Very simple, no? Now next 3409. 9 ones place, 0 tens place, 4 hundreds place, 3 thousands place. See here 3000. 3 is in thousands place, then the place value of 3 is 3000. 3 after 3 zeros. Thousands means 3 zeros beta. Hundreds means 2 zeros. Tens means 1 zero after number, after digit. See here. 3 is the digit. 3 is in thousands place. 3 after how many zeros you can write? 3 zeros. 3000. Plus 4 is in hundreds place. 400. 4 after 2 zeros. Plus 0 tens. 0 tens means 0. 0 tens means 0. Plus 9 ones means 9. 2960. See here. 0 is in ones place, 6 tens place, 9 hundreds place, 2 thousands place. So 2 thousands place. The place value of 2 is 2000. 2 after how many zeros you can write? 1000 means you can write any digit after you can write 3 zeros. 2000 plus 900. 9 after 2 zeros. 9 is in hundreds place. 900. Now next 6 is in tens place. 6 tens 60. Plus 0 ones 0. So remaining problems you can do. Okay? Tata, bye bye.